I get Arun Lalia. What was the hurry for Sachin Tendulkar to get into parliament? What you know? Maybe the government can say it's a big coup. You know, we got Sachin Tendulkar. We got Sachin Tendulkar. It's a big coup, therefore. But what is it? Why Sachin Tendulkar? What is in it for Sachin Tendulkar?
Arnab, the government's agenda or their point of view is irrelevant here. I think if Sachin Tendulkar, himself, he feels that maybe he himself is feeling that he's at the end of his career as a cricketer. He's not going to be there for very long, and as it is, he's picking and choosing. I don't think he's going to be there playing one-day cricket anymore.
No, Arun.
Or not the really,
Arun, you're a cricket professional. Sachin Tendulkar is a cricket professional on whom a price is put at an IPL auction.
True.
Right? So, let's talk. We're talking about a member of parliament here.
Yeah, so what? Listen.
So what?
Anybody who go,
he gets traded.
Anybody who goes
You
to
get traded. You get traded in an IPL auction.
True.
So Bollywood actor gets paid commercial fees.
I'm only asking that.
When anybody joins the Rajya Sabha, he doesn't give up everything he's doing in life.
Roshan Abbas.
He's actually coming into the Rajya Sabha because of what he's achieved in life.
Correct.
He's really got a lot of what we want to see in our politicians.
Yeah, truly, he has the right
There's
to.
so much of us saying that good men are not joining politics. Good men are not joining politics. Here's a good man coming and joining politics. Even I'm saying, forget about this. Forget about him being nominated. I'll be even more thrilled if he joins politics actively and if the rest of his life devotes to it, because we really need people of integrity.
I just have a small point.
But then you must either join. Watch it. Let's get Roshan Abbas. Watch it. Let Roshan Abbas, and then I'm opening this up to debate.
Let me talk. Can I just say something?
Yes.
Can I just say something, Arnab?
Arnab, there are.
Shailendra mentioned that something about core competence, and a person is not maybe not suited for what he is. Listen. Politicians don't do courses and come in.
Right.
When you're not born a politician, you come into because you want to serve the nation.
Maybe you're a lawyer, maybe
you're a whoever.
Arun, I want to make a point here. Arun,
today somebody.
Sure.
As an achiever who comes in, Shailendra, I welcome it.
I totally agree.
Tomorrow, any successful man comes in, I think he's got the credentials to serve the nation.
Yeah, but I have a point, Arun, and I hope you understand this perspective. What I'm trying to say is that we're a single sport nation and 1.3 billion people. For God's sake, we don't understand the potential of how sporting this country can be. But if continuously athletes are ignored from administration and athletes also find shortcuts, either in politics or doing other objectives other than actually running sports in this country, you're not going to be a sporting nation. And my point is that Sachin's talent, Sachin is a single-minded person. He's an athlete who stuck to his task and achieved huge applause for India.
I'm opening this up.
But my point, Arun, is if Sachin's talent at this stage of retirement could be actually used in taking sports forward, maybe cricket itself, he would be a far better suited candidate there than in the parliament for sure.
I think a lot of the reactions to Sachin Tendulkar. A lot of the reactions, as I go to Roshan Abbas, a lot of the reactions to Sachin Tendulkar is not, does he have a right to join politics?
No, that's not the debate.
The question, the kind of reactions of Sachin Tendulkar fans is, did he need to join politics and did he need to join politics now? Roshan.
Yes.
Roshan.
Arnab, honestly, my big issue is the fact of saying that when this man didn't score a century for a period of time, the nation went berserk and chatted and discussed it and, passed judgment on him every day. I really feel that this man has achieved so much that frankly, keeping that pinnacle of achievement and staying outside of politics, because what does politics do to people? You've got an active sportsman joining a body which believes in being as inactive as possible, which delays any decision policy. Look at what happened to Mr. Bachchan when he entered politics. He was this icon and then he was sullied beyond belief 25 years later.
Let him complete.
I mean, spare Sachin Tendulkar. Let Sachin be. My biggest point is that here's a man, Nandan Nilekani has been trying within the cabinet to get things passed and he comes against this wall of opposition. Here's a man who's a genuine human being. I'm sure he can do whatever he wants outside of politics. Don't enter that quagmire because honestly, no one comes out from that unsullied.
Derek has a right to rebut. I see Derek. It's Derek. Yeah, go on, Derek.
See, Arnab, I think what Piggy Lal said bears repetition. When good people, first you guys crib that politics is a bunch of criminals and bad people. Now when good guys want to get into parliament or achievers want to get into parliament, then you have a problem. I mean, you know, we need to rid ourselves, or otherwise we'll become a nation of
But
cynics.
he doesn't
It's
want
all
to
very
get
well
into
to call it
politics. He
quagmire,
doesn't want
this
to get
thing. If
in.
you want to make a difference, you need to be in parliament.
Derek,
Absolutely.
One second,
Derek,
Roshan,
look at what
Roshan.
Let me
politics
finish.
has done
Let
to
me
you.
finish.
Well
Let me
said.
finish.
Derek, look
I
at
think,
what
and the
politics
other
has done to
important
you. You're
point.
not answering people directly on Twitter. You know, you're a quiz master, great
Roshan.
human being, and now
Roshan,
I see you
Roshan,
defending
one
some
second,
ridiculous
one
things
second.
every now and then. I mean, you've just changed.
No.
You've
Roshan,
changed over
please.
the last 3 months as a person.
Roshan.
One, let me.
No,
Derek,
Roshan.
go on
Roshan,
Twitter.
I think.
Everybody's been saying
One
that. All
second,
the people who
Roshan.
know you are like, what happened to Derek O'Brien?
Roshan, please understand. Derek O'Brien is 1 on 100. Sachin Tendulkar is 200 on 100. So let's not even talk about those two people in the same sentence, please.
Why?
I
Why?
think,
You
let
were
me
an
give you
achiever
two
in
little
your field.
examples.
You were an achiever in your field. You
I-
entered. And you know, as I'm saying, you're a quiz master. You're making sense of a lot of very brainless things occasionally. Sorry, it's not a judgment on you, but it's just, look at what's happening.
1 second.
What will happen to Sachin
See,
if
Roshan-
yours is 1 on 100, if it is 200 on 100, multiply that 200 times and imagine what he will go through.
See, Roshan, I think where we go wrong is two things. But I want to stay with in the discussion about Tendulkar. Number one, Sebastian Coe was a sportsman I hero worshipped long years ago. Now, Sebastian Coe, the sportsman, decided to become Sebastian Coe, the administrator.
Yes.
More power to him. He's running the London Olympic Games.
Exactly, that's what I'm
so
saying.
Sachin Tendulkar, the cricketer,
and what an uncut
has a
body the
dream of
Olympics is.
becoming.
Take command
No,
of
no.
position.
See, Roshan, that's your view, and that's no problem, my friend. You can have your view, but I think everyone is entitled to their own view.
Anupam-
and
True.
Anupam
if
Kher
Sachin
wants to come in.
Tendulkar- 1 second. MF Hussain. 1 second, Arnav. MF Hussain is a very good example of creative expression. He did not make a single speech. This Mr. Singh was telling me in the morning, my colleague in Rajya Sabha. MF Hussain didn't make a single speech for 6 years in the Rajya Sabha.
So?
But at the end of 6 years, he came up with these beautiful paintings because every day he made a painting in the Rajya Sabha to express himself.
No,
I
but
think,
you
you know,
don't.
let
You are
us
not
not
have to be a
speak
member.
The man
With
did
all
not even have
respect,
the option,
a member
and
of
the man
parliament.
due to politics
A member
did
of
not even have the
parliament is.
option of dying in his
Yeah,
own
what's
country.
a member of parliament?
The man who made these beautiful paintings did not even have the option of dying in his own country because of politics.
Yeah, that's true.
where are we going? Roshan, where are we
Anupam
going
Kher,
on this debate?
Kishore Bhimani, bringing in some other panelists into the debate. Gentlemen, this is very interesting. This is very interesting.
Stop, Arnav.
This is 1 second, Derek. 1 second. Derek.
Arnav.
1 second.
Stop politician bashing. This has become a
I knew you'd
national
say
sport.
that. This is Derek. Now this is your favorite, one of your favorite pastimes. Now, any question asked, politician bashing. Come on. I'm not doing
You're backing
quizmaster bashing
Tendulkar
either.
because he joined politics.
Anupam Kher wants to
Tendulkar
come
now
in.
because he's-
Anupam Kher is
I
coming
feel,
in. Mr. Kher. After that,
you know, I
Mr.
think
Gawar.
one thing is getting clearer in this whole debate, that politics is a game, I think, which should be left alone. Well, this is becoming clearer. But I don't think that should be the case. I think we should allow him at least the thought of it, that let him do something, because his responsibility is not to any particular party. His responsibility is he's responsible towards the people of this country, because that's why he's Sachin Tendulkar, and I think he's smart enough or he's intelligent enough to know that. So I think he will make a difference. He will create a certain kind of a difference in our lives.
But politics is about.
He's just a quiet kind of a person. The point is the tilt. Arnab, if you want to have the tilt of this debate that he should have not joined, then you are not succeeding today, because most of the panelists want him to join, and I think that's important.
Thank you for that. That means you found that and you're on the defensive. Kishore Bhimani.
Then it becomes an interesting debate.
Here, Kishore Bhimani.
May I come in on
If
this?
you are not worried, if you and Derek are not worried about the tilt of the debate, then listen to Kishore Bhimani. Yes, go on, Kishore Bhimani.
Many of the intrusions are much more than the actual speeches. I want to make 3 points.
Go
Number
on.
one, that nobody objects to or argues against the greatness of Sachin Tendulkar. He's great in his field.
Agreed.
The timing is all wrong. He's yet playing cricket. Number two, look what happened to Amitabh Bachchan.
Yeah.
I don't think there could have been a greater idol in that area than Amitabh Bachchan, a complete failure in politics and a great artist otherwise.
My point is
Today, the cut and thrust of politics will kill Sachin Tendulkar. He is a great human being. I know him also. He's a great human being. He's a great sportsman. Let him make contribution to sport. By shoving him into politics now, whether through Rajya Sabha, Lok Sabha or any political party, what we are doing is ruining a man, putting him into the cut and thrust of politics.
It's his
People
choice.
who have become politicians
Mr.
like Kirti
Bhimani,
Azad, Ketan Chauhan, and one or two others have had 4 or 5 years in the wilderness. NGOs doing public work before they came into this. Even Navjot Singh Sidhu, they didn't go straight into politics, finish the crease, say goodbye boys, said bye bye to the
But what's wrong
dressing
in
room
that?
and
I think
go
what's
straight
wrong
into
in
parliament.
that?
No
Why
way.
can't you